Hello, everybody. I hope you all are well. We are almost towards the end of a crazy, super crazy year. And the most amazing part of it is nothing of this was expected, right? It was an unexpected blow to all of us to have experienced 2020. Like all these years of our life, we have been living our life in a particular way. And all of a sudden, this thing comes in and we are like, wait, what's happening? And then it is, oh my god, what's happening? And then it's like, oh my god, what's happening? I'm going to die. And then it's like, okay, it's not that bad. Well, I didn't die. Well, I know it's difficult. What did this year teach me? There is so much which has been happening for the past 10 months, I suppose. Yeah, the past 10 months almost. And we all have been given so much to handle. I think in the last 6 months, I have worked overtime. I've worked more than what I used to work all these years, and that's because a lot of clients were going through a lot of emotional turmoil, and it was so difficult for each one of them to handle different aspects of life that just came up as a result of this pandemic. A lot of my work, in my own journey for the last 10 to 12 years, there has been so much which I have learned, not just as a spiritual teacher or as a personal growth coach, but also in my own personal professional life, in my own learnings. I've learned so much. And one of the biggest learnings yet happened this year, and the learning was beyond what I call it surrender. So you must have seen me talking a lot about the whole concept of surrender, right? And whenever I talk of surrender, even for my manifestation workshop, which I just took this month, I spoke a lot about surrender. I myself have been learning to surrender. I have been connecting to my teachers, my coaches, and understanding what it really means to surrender. And let me tell you one very important thing about this particular concept of surrender, which is that um, surrender is not about doing things. So many times my students ask me, and this is something which I asked myself, that every day when I decide that, okay, well, I have to surrender, the only thing that comes to my mind is, okay, so today I will surrender. And I will keep surrendering every day because, as Gabriel Bernstein says, when you think you've surrendered, surrender even more. Now, most people believe that surrender is an act. Many students ask me that, when I say surrender is not giving in, surrender is not giving up, surrender is not being in a state that I don't want it anymore or something, but knowing that you already asked the universe to give you something and it is on its way. But well, when you see the situation outside is totally different and you see that things have gone totally haywire, many people have lost jobs, businesses have shut down, people have changed cities, um, some people have closed down their businesses completely, some people had invested money in something which didn't turn out to be good, certain relationships ended, a lot of people broke up with their partners, people had a lot of physical health issues, mental health issues, financial losses, and so on. And they say that in this situation, how do we trust the universe? Because the universe is not being like a kind you know s- kind giver, or there is no what you call as magic. I don't experience all that things. So how do you think that is working? And here I'm going to share with you an affirmation or a prayer which I again learned from Gabriel Bernstein. I quote a lot of Gabriel Bernstein, I quote a lot of Louis Hay, I quote a lot of Dr. Wayne Dyer in my work, in my videos, if you observe, because I have been, in the last 10 to 12 years, I have been not just reading a lot, but I've also practiced these things. I've gone through my own emotional ups and downs. It's I think I always tell my participants too that we all are humans, and it's very natural to go through emotional ups and downs. But the whole essence of this all transformational work is, when you go down, Do not hesitate to be kind and gentle on yourself. Acknowledge the fact that you're feeling terrible, you're feeling devastated, you're feeling destroyed. But understand that it's like ebb and flow. You will flow like a wave. There will be times where you will go down, but you'll come up. And once you come up, you'll understand that you learned a lot from that low point. So here I'm going to discuss this amazing thing from the book Super Attractor by Gabriel Bernstein. I think it's a book I always refer to as my guidance whenever I'm in a difficult situation. And I have had times where I haven't slept for the entire night. My head has been full of thoughts. I've journaled, I've meditated, nothing has helped. And then I do a lot of these, these power shots of reading books because they have supported me a lot. So, well, for anyone who wants to know this quick affirmation statement, the affirmation statement is as follows, that everything is happening around me and I'm truly taken care of. Now, this is exactly the statement what Gabriel Bernstein talks about. So she says that when she was in a very difficult position, she didn't know what she had to do, and she was not feeling supported by the universe at all. So when I tell people to surrender, they say, "भाई surrender किया तो क्या होगा? कुछ दिख तो नहीं रहा है, nothing is happening." And I feel so, I don't have any faith in the universe. The universe is being very unkind to me. And I tell people that even if you feel the universe is particularly unkind to you, you still have to trust it. And your Gabriel talks about that she went to the place, what she calls at her Zen desk, and she actually closed her eyes and she prayed from all her heart. And she said that, universe, I asked for your support. And then she thought of all the situations where she felt supported in life. Because even on a worst day, you have the support. And then she said this affirmation, everything is happening around me and I've truly been taken care of. So to use this prayer, I can say that when you feel overwhelmed, just go to a place, just have a glass of water, just deep breathe, center yourself, and think of all the everywhere where you are supported. Like you can think like, I always think that I'm so supported by my family. I feel so held. I also think of all the people who help me, maybe people who work with me, who are my staff, who always support me. um, then my close set of friends who are always there for me no matter what. I also feel very supported by my teachers and my coaches who have held me in the most difficult day where I thought that, I've been completely blown down. I feel I'm completely, I've hit my rock bottom, but yet my teachers and my coaches did support me. And I also feel supported by other things in my life which are always there for me, like that there are all everything which helps me make my work easy, all the gadgets we have, all the systems which help me delegate my work. In fact, each and every person and each and everything what had supported me, I just think of it, I deep breathe and I just hold that energy within me. And there will be time that if you do this, and while you're doing this, you might feel emotional, you might feel, you might even cry, or you might feel that lump of energy within you. But it's okay, feel that. We grow when we feel our feelings, because only when you feel your feelings you grow. And then at this point of time, just simply say that everything is happening around me and I'm to be being taken care of. I usually say this 4 to 5 times whenever I'm feeling that I'm in a difficult situation. So Gabriel calls this a mantra, and this mantra will help you to shift that energy from feeling helpless to being supported. And if you're not able to surrender, this is exactly what you can do. So I hope this video makes sense to you. I know the last 8 to 10 months have been very difficult for most of us, but I always believe that a breakthrough is always greater than a breakdown. As my teachers say, a breakthrough always follows a breakdown. So if you had a breakdown, trust that a breakthrough is coming. And at this point of time, if it's difficult to believe the universe, it's okay. It's difficult to surrender, it's okay. Be an allowance and make sure that You just be in the present moment, trust the support of the universe, and allow things to flow for you. This is Ashwini Chube, your spiritual teacher, personal growth coach, motivational speaker. To know more about my work, you can log on to www.unicorninsight.com. Don't forget to follow us on social media, Unicorn under Insight on Instagram. On Facebook, we have my official page, Ashwini Chube Official, and my company page, which is Unicorn Insight. And if you're watching me on my YouTube channel, follow, like, share, and subscribe. And if a friend, a loved one, or a family is going through a really tough time, please share this video for them. My videos are made in such a way that it can definitely help you. And I hope even if it helps one person who is watching this video, in 365 days, it helps 365 persons. I've done my job. I'm sending you lots and lots of love and light. If you're going through something, know that you're not alone. We all are together in this. Universe is kind, God loves us all, and always understand that help and support is nearby. Thank you very much. Bye bye.